Do you know, guys, that Google Drive can be your hosting server for your websites? This comes handy to host your portfolios, CV, resumes online. If you are interested to host your website for free, then keep watching this video. You can upload websites that contain following data: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images, videos, etc. First you need to open your Google Drive. Then upload your website folder like me. Right-click on website folder and get shareable link turned on. Right-click on website folder to rename it as www.yoursitename.com. Then you need to visit drv.tw from your browser, as I am showing to you. Select Host to Google Drive. Choose your Google Drive account. Allow permissions. Wait for few seconds. Let Google fetch HTML record from your drive. Once it's done, select your website. Now you are good to go. Bookmark this link and share wherever you want. Subscribe and click the bell icon if you found this video amazing and useful.